How to add local songs to Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Spotify application, log in with your account details. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner. After that, you will need to go to settings and privacy. After that, simply click on apps and devices. Scroll down and you will see the option of local device visibility and local audio file. Simply toggle this feature on. Go to your library option at the bottom right corner and click on local file. Choose the option of add file. Now after this permission has been allowed, you will be able to add local songs in your Spotify library. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.